The paper is really cool. Inside of the box says "Long live the king," but really what we want to take a look at is this paper that comes inside, because this stuff has all kind of branding and shit on here. What kind of castle playground thing is this? What is this, Lebron land? Free rides, taco time, Taco Tuesday. MVP round to round. Oh snap, what do we got here? Craziness. As you guys can see, there is a lot of crazy branding on this paper. It might take you all day to look at this shit, man. And it kind of repeats itself. Another missed FG, blah 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 blah, MVP, missed games, loss, air ball, not a foul, fear, chamber of fear, brick, missed free throws. Oh man, all kinds of shit. Roy, champs, no problem, soda and cereal, the soul. This looks like some sort of playground is what this looks like, man. It looks like an amusement park. Don't stay on the path. This is one of the best sneaker papers I've ever seen in my life. Crazy stuff, man. It just keeps going and going. Strive for greatness, and you have a whole montage of basically this giant amusement park. 23 snakes and ladders, and then it repeats itself. When you pay this much for shoes, man, you really want to get something in the box that makes you happy. And that made me happy, man. So anyways, let me know what you guys think of the LeBron 19 low in the comments section.